In this video, I will be showing you how to create a YouTube outro in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin by typing YouTube outro into the search bar to browse through the millions of templates available. I'm looking for something eye-catching, so I'll scroll down through the results until I find a layout that fits my channel's vibe. This colorful template looks great, so I'll click on it and select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Now, I'll start by modifying the background colors. I'll click on the various shapes and use the color picker on the left to swap the pinks and yellows for shades of blue and green. I'll continue clicking through each element, including the main background, to ensure the color scheme is consistent and vibrant. Next, I want to add a bit more text, so I'll go to the Elements tab, find a text style, and type the word "for." I'll position this right in the center of the existing text so it reads clearly. To make it stand out, I'll change the text color to white and head over to the Effects menu to add an outline. I'll drag the thickness slider until it has a bold, clean look. Moving on to the next slide, I'll click on the text elements and look at the animation options. I'll select the pulse animation to give the like, comment, and subscribe section some life and movement. Now, I'll update the visual placeholders. I'll search for a circle frame in the Elements tab and drag it onto the page. To add some motion, I'll go to the video library and search for tech. I'll find a video of a Cloud Digital and simply drag and drop it into the frame I just created. I can double-click the video to adjust how it's cropped inside the circle for the best view. I'll repeat this process for the other frames, choosing another tech-themed clip to keep the aesthetic uniform across the whole design. Finally, I'll look at the timeline at the bottom of the screen. I'll drag the edges of the clips to adjust the timing and ensure the transitions between the "Thanks for watching" screen and the Call to Action screen are perfectly synced. I'll hit play to preview the entire sequence and make sure the animations flow naturally together. And that's it. Now you have a professional, animated YouTube outro created in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching.